Throw 2 dishwasher tablets into the washing machine. This simple trick for a smelly washer works instantly. It'll be as clean as new. Regular cleaning is the key to fresh-smelling laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Pay special attention to the rubber seals, drum, and door. That's where most of the grime, detergent residue, and moisture build up. Never skip those spots. In a large container, dissolve 1 dishwasher tablet in about 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, of very hot water. Stir well until it fully dissolves. In a separate container, pour about 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, of vinegar. It has antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Pour the dishwasher tablet mixture into the detergent drawer. Pour the vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. Set your washer to a 140° Fahrenheit, 60° Celsius cycle and run it. During the cycle, the drum and seals will get a thorough cleaning. Not only will the buildup disappear, but so will bad odors and hidden gunk under the drum. You can also pour the dishwasher tablet solution into a spray bottle and use it as a cleaner for other parts of the washer. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will reward you with fresh, clean laundry and trouble-free operation. Take a stocking and put it on your hand. This trick will ensure that you never again have damaged clothes after taking them out of the washing machine. If your clothes have pulled threads after washing, you're probably wondering what's causing it. Often, you don't remember if the threads were pulled before washing. You don't know if the washing machine is damaging and tearing your clothes. So you're afraid to wash delicate clothes and sweaters in the machine to avoid damaging them. Lace lingerie, tablecloths, and curtains are precious to you? Are you even worried about stockings? Maybe you've already started washing all these things by hand, and it's wasting a lot of your time. However, pulled threads on clothes often make them no longer wearable. They can't always be repaired, so you'll simply have to throw away items that get snagged. That's why it's always good to have stockings on hand. You'll quickly find that the problem of pulled threads disappears. Take some stockings that you no longer wear. I never throw such stockings away. I use them for many things. For example, I'll show you a simple trick now. Put the stocking on your hand. It must not be torn. It must be intact. Do this before putting clothes into the washing machine. With the stocking on your hand, wipe the edge of the drum. Rub the entire drum with the stocking. Thoroughly wipe every nook and cranny of the drum, including those edges inside the drum. Now, check the stocking. If it's intact, nothing has snagged it, it means your washing machine is working correctly. It's not the one damaging your clothes. If there are runs on the stockings, you'd quickly locate the place responsible for the holes and pulled threads in clothes. Did you know this trick? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Take a foam pool noodle and measure it against the length of your washing machine. Then grab a sharp knife and cut off the extra piece. Slide it into the gap between the machine and the wall. No more missing socks and no more dust collecting there. Quick, effective, and no drilling needed. Your socks will finally stay in pairs. Throw them into the washing machine and start the wash cycle as usual. Place your laundry in the drum and add 2 hair rollers. Put them between the items in the washing machine drum. Add a detergent capsule and wash the clothes together with the rollers. Give it a try once, and you'll never stop. Since I started doing this, it's become my favorite way to do laundry, especially for dark clothes. Various threads and tiny lint always stick to dark fabrics. Every tiny hair is visible on dark materials. If you have pets, this problem is even bigger. Dog or cat hair is always visible on black clothes. They're on everything. You surely use a lint roller and hair roller to remove hair and fur. However, this often isn't enough. Even after washing, there are still threads, lint, hair, and fur on clothes. But there's a simple solution to this. Hair rollers are perfect for this. They are made of Velcro, which catches everything. They collect hair and fur from clothes very well. Just throw them into the laundry together with the items. Instead of on clothes, all these tiny debris will be on the rollers after washing. When you try this trick with hair rollers, the problem of hair and fur on clothes will disappear. Instead of fabric softener, put this in the washing machine. A hotelier once showed me this trick. Too much detergent and fabric softener make towels rough and less absorbent. This one ingredient will change that. Load only towels into the washing machine. Add a handful of baking soda, which softens fibers while eliminating odors and bacteria. Now it's time for rice. Blend 2 tablespoons of rice into a fine powder. Add 3 ounces of water and let the mixture sit for several hours or overnight. After that, strain the liquid to remove any grain residues. Now pour 1 cup of rice water into the drum. Add regular laundry detergent to the detergent compartment and vinegar to the fabric softener compartment. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Set the wash to 100 or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the machine starts dispensing detergent, pour in the remaining rice water. Your towels will come out incredibly soft, fresh and fragrant, without using chemical store-bought softeners. Try it. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly.